the forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment. Are you frustrated watching your hair turn gray while spending money on temporary dyes that damage your hair and never address the real problem? What if one forgotten vitamin could actually restore your hair pigment naturally from the inside out without any dye or chemicals? Most people have never heard of this vitamin's connection to hair color, and even doctors rarely test for it when patients complain about premature graying. This forgotten vitamin plays a critical role in melanin production, and millions are deficient without knowing it until their hair loses its natural color. Today, I'm revealing the forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment backed by scientific research and real clinical results. Stick around until the end, because I'll expose the biggest mistake that prevents this vitamin from working even when you're supplementing. Here's what most people don't know about the forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment and helps reverse gray hair naturally. The vitamin is pantothenic acid, commonly called vitamin B5, and research from nutritional science shows that B5 plays a crucial role in hair pigmentation that most people and even many doctors overlook. Studies reveal that B5 is essential for producing coenzyme A, which is fundamental to cellular energy production, fatty acid metabolism, and the synthesis of melanin pigments that color your hair. The mechanism involves B5 being required for the production of coenzyme A, which participates in over 100 metabolic reactions in your body, including those necessary for melanin synthesis. Studies show that without adequate B5, your melanocytes cannot produce the coenzyme A needed to fuel the energy-intensive process of melanin production. Without sufficient energy, melanin synthesis slows dramatically and hair grows in gray instead of pigmented. Think about what happens when your hair follicles lack this forgotten vitamin. Research demonstrates that B5 deficiency impairs cellular metabolism throughout your body, but rapidly dividing cells like melanocytes are particularly vulnerable. Your melanocytes need enormous amounts of energy to continuously produce melanin, and without adequate B5 to generate coenzyme A, this entire process breaks down. Here's the remarkable part about B5 and hair pigmentation that gets really exciting. Research from the 1950s and 1960s documented cases where people with premature graying who took pantothenic acid supplements experienced restoration of their natural hair color. Studies showed that participants taking 200 to 500 milligrams of B5 daily for several months noticed new hair growth coming in with improved pigmentation, and some even reported existing gray hairs gradually darkening. Clinical observations from nutritionally oriented physicians have continued to document improvements in hair color with B5 supplementation. According to research from dermatology case studies, patients with premature graying who supplemented with pantothenic acid along with other B vitamins experience better results than those taking B vitamins without B5. The synergistic effect of B5 with the B complex produced superior outcomes for hair pigmentation. Think about those frustrating years of trying every supplement for gray hair without understanding that this forgotten B vitamin might be the missing piece. Research demonstrates that while B12 gets all the attention for gray hair, B5 is equally important but rarely discussed or supplemented at therapeutic doses. The scientific foundation for B5's role in hair pigmentation is solid despite being largely forgotten. The challenge with B5 is that deficiency is considered rare in conventional medicine because it's found in many foods, and its name literally means everywhere in Greek. Research shows that while severe deficiency causing obvious symptoms is uncommon, subclinical or marginal B5 insufficiency that impairs optimal melanocyte function may be far more widespread than recognized. The recommended approach for B5 supplementation involves therapeutic doses that are significantly higher than the basic recommended daily allowance. Research suggests taking 250 to 500 milligrams of pantothenic acid daily, often divided into 2 doses with meals for optimal absorption and effectiveness. Studies show that B5 is water-soluble with very low toxicity, making even high doses safe for most people. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about restoring hair pigment naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The The second critical aspect involves understanding why vitamin B5 was forgotten as a key nutrient for hair pigmentation and how deficiency develops in ways that contribute to premature graying. Research shows that B5 gets overshadowed by more famous B vitamins like B12 and biotin, despite being equally important for melanocyte function and cellular energy production. The mechanism involves B5 being found in many foods, leading researchers and doctors to assume everyone gets enough from diet alone. Studies reveal that this assumption overlooks the fact that modern food processing destroys much of the B5 naturally present in whole grains, and chronic stress dramatically increases B5 requirements beyond what typical diets provide. Think about how modern lifestyles deplete B5 and impair hair pigmentation. Research demonstrates that chronic stress, processed food diets, caffeine consumption, and various medications all increase B5 requirements or deplete existing stores. Studies show that people living with ongoing stress likely need 2 to 3 times more B5 than unstressed individuals to maintain optimal cellular function, including melanin production. Here's what makes B5 deficiency particularly insidious for hair pigmentation. Unlike other vitamin deficiencies that cause dramatic symptoms, marginal B5 insufficiency may manifest primarily as premature graying, fatigue, and poor stress tolerance without obvious clinical signs. Research shows that by the time gray hair appears, B5 levels may have been suboptimal for months or years. The historical evidence for B5's importance in hair color is compelling despite being forgotten. Research from the 1950s through 1970s studied pantothenic acid for various conditions, including gray hair reversal, adrenal support, and energy production. Studies documented positive results that were largely overlooked as mainstream medicine focused on deficiency diseases rather than optimal nutrition. Dietary sources of B5 include organ meats, mushrooms, avocados, chicken, eggs, and whole grains. Research demonstrates that B5 is destroyed by food processing, freezing, and canning, meaning modern diets provide less bioavailable B5 than traditional whole food diets. Studies show that people eating primarily processed foods likely have marginal B5 status, even though overt deficiency is rare. The stress connection is particularly important for understanding B5 depletion and gray hair. Research reveals that your adrenal glands require enormous amounts of pantothenic acid to produce cortisol and other stress hormones. Studies demonstrate that chronic stress depletes B5 faster than diet can replace it, creating a vicious cycle of stress, B5 deficiency, impaired stress response, and accelerated graying. The third crucial component involves understanding the multiple biological pathways through which vitamin B5 restores hair pigment and supports melanocyte function. Research clearly shows that B5 doesn't work through a single mechanism, but rather supports hair pigmentation through several interconnected processes. The mechanism involves B5 being converted to coenzyme A, which is required for over 100 different metabolic reactions. Studies reveal that coenzyme A participates in the citric acid cycle that generates ADP, the cellular energy currency that powers all metabolic processes, including melanin synthesis. Without adequate B5 to produce coenzyme A, melanocytes cannot generate enough energy to sustain melanin production. Think about how B5 supports the production of fatty acids that form cell membranes. Research demonstrates that healthy cell membranes are essential for melanocyte function and survival, and coenzyme A derived from B5 is necessary for synthesizing the phospholipids that make up these membranes. Studies show that B5 deficiency impairs membrane integrity, potentially damaging melanocytes. Here's where B5's role in neurotransmitter synthesis becomes important for stress management. Research reveals that B5 is necessary for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in many brain functions. Studies demonstrate that adequate B5 supports better stress response and mood regulation, which indirectly protects hair pigmentation by reducing stress-induced oxidative damage. The protein metabolism connection is equally critical for understanding B5's effects on hair pigmentation. Research shows that B5 assists in the metabolism of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins including melanin and keratin. Studies demonstrate that improved amino acid metabolism from adequate B5 ensures melanocytes have the raw materials needed to synthesize melanin pigments. B5 also supports healthy cholesterol and steroid hormone production, which affects overall metabolic health. Research reveals that hormonal balance influences hair growth cycles and melanocyte activity, and B5 plays a role in maintaining this balance. Studies demonstrate that people with hormonal imbalances often experience premature graying along with other symptoms. The antioxidant support provided by B5 helps protect melanocytes from oxidative damage. Research shows that while B5 itself is not a direct antioxidant, it supports the production of coenzyme A, which is necessary for synthesizing glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Studies demonstrate that adequate glutathione protects melanocytes from the free radical damage that accelerates graying. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about this forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment without any dye. The fourth essential factor involves understanding how to combine vitamin B5 with other nutrients for maximum hair pigmentation benefits. Research shows that while B5 alone can help restore hair color in some people, combining it with synergistic nutrients produces superior and more consistent results. The mechanism involves B5 working synergistically with the entire B vitamin complex. Studies reveal that B vitamins function as a team in cellular metabolism, and B5 enhances the effectiveness of other B vitamins, particularly B12, folic acid, and biotin. Taking B5 with a high-quality B complex ensures all the nutrients melanocytes need for pigment production are available simultaneously. Think about how nutritional deficiencies rarely occur in isolation. Research demonstrates that people deficient in B5 often have inadequate levels of other B vitamins as well, creating multiple metabolic bottlenecks that impair melanocyte function. Studies show that addressing all these deficiencies together through comprehensive supplementation produces faster and more dramatic improvements in hair pigmentation. Here's what makes the combination approach particularly powerful for gray hair reversal. Research shows that B5 at 250 to 500 milligrams daily combined with vitamin B12 at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms, folic acid at 400 to 800 micrograms, and biotin at 2,500 to 5,000 micrograms creates a comprehensive nutritional approach to restoring hair color naturally. Copper and other minerals enhance B5's effectiveness. Research reveals that copper is essential for the tyrosinase enzyme that converts tyrosine into melanin, and combining B5 with 1 to 2 milligrams of copper glycinate supports the entire melanin synthesis pathway. Studies demonstrate that mineral cofactors work together with vitamins to optimize melanocyte function. Antioxidants provide additional protection for melanocytes when combined with B5. Research shows that vitamins C and E, along with polyphenol from sources like green tea, protect melanocytes from the oxidative damage that accelerates graying. Studies demonstrate that comprehensive antioxidant support allows B5 to work more effectively. The timing and consistency of supplementation matter significantly for results. Research demonstrates that taking B5 and supporting nutrients consistently every day for at least 3 to 6 months is necessary before visible improvements in hair pigmentation become apparent. Studies show that hair grows approximately half an inch per month, so even if melanocytes restart pigment production immediately, it takes months for this to become visible. Dietary support enhances supplementation effectiveness. Research reveals that consuming whole foods rich in B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants provides additional nutritional support beyond what supplements alone can offer. Studies show that diets emphasizing organ meats, mushrooms, avocados, eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains create the optimal nutritional environment for hair pigmentation restoration. The biggest mistake that prevents vitamin B5 from working to restore hair pigment is taking inadequate doses for insufficient time while continuing lifestyle habits that destroy B5 and damage melanocytes faster than supplementation can repair them. Here's the critical truth. You cannot restore hair pigment with B5 if you're simultaneously depleting this nutrient and damaging your melanocytes through chronic stress, poor diet, and unhealthy habits. The mechanism involves understanding that B5 is not a magic bullet, but rather a forgotten piece of the hair pigmentation puzzle that must be addressed comprehensively. Studies show that taking 10 to 50 milligrams of B5 in a standard multivitamin won't provide therapeutic benefits for gray hair reversal. Research demonstrates that doses of 250 to 500 milligrams daily are necessary for meaningful results. Think about the problem of unrealistic expectations and impatience. Research reveals that people often try B5 for a few weeks, see no immediate dramatic changes, and conclude it doesn't work. Studies demonstrate that restoring hair pigment through nutritional correction takes a minimum of 3 to 6 months of consistent supplementation because hair grows slowly and you cannot change the color of existing gray hair, only new growth. Another critical mistake is taking B5 alone without addressing other nutritional deficiencies that contribute to gray hair. Research shows that gray hair typically results from multiple nutritional inadequacies, not just B5 deficiency. Studies demonstrate that people who take B5 along with a comprehensive B complex, minerals like copper and antioxidants see significantly better results than those taking B5 in isolation. The stress connection cannot be ignored. Research demonstrates that chronic stress depletes B5 faster than supplementation can replace it because your adrenal glands use enormous amounts of pantothenic acid to produce stress hormones. Studies show that people under chronic stress may need 500 to 1,000 milligrams of B5 daily or more to maintain adequate levels, far exceeding typical supplement doses. Lifestyle factors that generate oxidative stress overwhelm B5's protective effects. Research shows that smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor sleep, and diets high in sugar and processed foods create massive oxidative damage that depletes B5 and damages melanocytes. Studies demonstrate that no amount of B5 supplementation can overcome the destruction caused by these habits. The solution is committing to therapeutic doses of B5 at 250 to 500 milligrams daily, combined with a high-quality B complex, minerals, and antioxidants. Address stress through meditation, exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques. Eliminate or minimize smoking and excessive alcohol. Eat a nutrient-dense whole foods diet emphasizing B5-rich foods like organ meats, mushrooms, avocados, and eggs. Maintain this comprehensive approach consistently for at least 6 months before evaluating results. If this video helped you understand the forgotten vitamin that restores hair pigment without any dye, please share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you restore your natural hair color. Thanks for watching and trusting me to reveal this forgotten vitamin for restoring hair pigment naturally. I'll see you in the next video.